Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to file a claim with UPS. So if your package was lost, damaged, or didn't arrive as expected, then just follow along. First, visit the UPS website and sign into your account. Then locate the shipment using your tracking number and select the option to file a claim. Choose the reason for your claim, such as lost package or damaged shipment. Then you may provide the requested information, including shipment details, item value, and supporting documents or photos if necessary. And review everything carefully and submit your claim. Then UPS will review the information and may contact you if additional details are needed. And you can also check the status of your claim through your UPS account. So that was how to file a claim with UPS. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.